If you're unemployed, there are still various ways you can earn money. Here are several strategies to consider. Freelancing. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer to find gigs that match your skills. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, there's likely a demand for your skills. Online tutoring. Websites like Chegg Tutors, VIP Kid, and Tutor.com allow you to tutor students. Sell products online. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. Online surveys and reviews. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Mechanical Turk allow you to earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and doing micro-tasks. Pet sitting or dog walking. Platforms like Rover and Wag. Connect pet owners with those willing to provide care or walking services. Ride-sharing or food delivery. Companies like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Postmates allow you to earn money by driving people around or delivering food. Rent out a room or property. Websites like Airbnb, Vrbo, and Booking.com allow homeowners to rent out rooms or entire properties for short periods. Affiliate marketing. Promote products online and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Teach a skill. Use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera to create and sell courses on subjects you're knowledgeable about. Blogging or vlogging. Start a blog or a YouTube channel. Once you've built up an audience, you can make money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Stock photography. If you're a photographer, sell your photos on stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Remote work. More companies are offering remote positions. Websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs list remote job opportunities. Gig economy jobs. Beyond ride-sharing and food delivery, there are platforms like TaskRabbit that allow you to offer services like furniture assembly, moving help, or home repairs. Dropshipping. Start an e-commerce store without holding any inventory. Investing. Platforms like Robinhood or Acorns allow you to start investing with small amounts of money. Self-publishing. If you love writing, consider self-publishing your work through Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing.